Welcome to our lesson on Ansible inventory. Think of an inventory like a contact list in your phone, but instead of people's names, it has a list of computers or servers that Ansible will talk to and manage. It's how we tell Ansible, these are the machines I want you to work on. This is the starting point for automating tasks across multiple servers with Ansible. So why inventory matters in Ansible? Inventories are key in Ansible for several reasons. First, they allow us to work on many servers at once, making our job scalable and efficient. It's like sending a group message to friends who are coming to a party, telling them all the same information at once. Inventories also help us organize these servers into groups like friends, family, or co-workers, so we can send specific messages or tasks to just the right group. Lastly, we can set special notes or instructions for each server or group, ensuring tasks are done exactly how we need. Now let's discuss the components of an inventory. An Ansible inventory has three main parts. First, we have hosts, which are the individual servers or devices Ansible manages. Think of each host as a friend in your contact list. Next, we have groups, where we organize these hosts into categories, like web servers or databases, making it easier to manage them together. Lastly, variables are special notes or settings we can apply to each host or group, telling Ansible how to treat them differently if needed. Let's move to inventory formats. Ansible inventories can be written in two formats, INI and YAML. The INI format is simple and straightforward, like jotting down notes in a text file. Here is how it looks with our servers listed under the group name web servers. The YAML format is a bit more structured, like a neatly organized outline, which can be better for more complex setups. It offers a clear view of how hosts are grouped together. So how can we understand hosts and groups? Inside an inventory, hosts are listed by their addresses, and we can group them to make management easier. For example, we might have a group called web servers for our website servers, and another called DB servers for databases. Ansible also has special groups like all for every host or ungrouped for hosts not in a specific group. It's a way to keep everything organized and clear. There are two types of inventories, static and dynamic. Static inventories are like a fixed contact list. You write it once and it stays the same until you change it. It's great for environments that don't change often. On the other hand, dynamic inventories automatically update themselves, pulling in information from external sources like cloud providers. It's like your contact list automatically updating when friends change their phone numbers. By default, Ansible looks for the inventory file in a specific place, which is /etc/ansible/hosts. But just like you can save different contact lists for work or personal use, Ansible lets you use custom inventory files too. You can tell Ansible to use a different file with the -i option, making it flexible to suit your needs. With an inventory, Ansible can do its magic, automating tasks across your network, whether it is sending out a command to update software, configuring settings on your servers, or deploying entire applications. The inventory is what makes it possible to target the right machines at the right time. Now that we understand what an inventory is and why it is so important, let's put this knowledge into practice. We will move on to a hands-on exercise where you will create your own Ansible inventory file. This will help solidify everything we have learned and get you comfortable managing inventories on your own. If you are ready, let's move to the next lesson. where we will create our first inventory file. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.